Welcome to the Mechanical Department, AMU Aligarh. Our college conduct a workshop on fluid mechanics. Proudly organized in collaboration with the National Society of Fluid Mechanics and Fluid Power.
Mark your calendar for the 2nd and 4th of March as we explore the dimensionless vastness of fluid dynamics.
Dear students, this workshop which we have brought here is basically through National Society of Fluid Mechanics and Fluid Power. It is a 50 years old society. This is a precursor to the conference which will be happening in December. And this workshop has 3 days of training in 2 modules. One module is by lectures by experts from academia and industry, and the second module is through the hands-on sessions. The hands-on sessions, these three 2 modules are divided into 3 days. Day 1 will be for instability and transition, that is theoretical fluid mechanics. Day 2 will be dependent on the CFD and will be dedicated for 2 CFD, computational fluid dynamics. And day 3 is dedicated to experimental fluid mechanics, which is going on. CFD theoretical training is done by IIT Bombay people and IIT Kanpur, and these are the people which are coming for this workshop, and so it is a very good workshop. Please do attend in large numbers and make it successful. Thank you.
For more information, you can visit our website www.fmfp2024amu.in.